Oh wow. Alright. Starting off in this next game, we have Luisxpro versus Grandpa. Going wolf.
He's a pretty strong wolf man, so I can see that happening.
So we saw a little bit of this rock earlier on stream.
He's very good at leg trapping, actually. But I can see Wolf getting past Rob's shenanigans. He said to get past him. Gets hit with the landing there, has to recover. Gets caught with the forward smash angle down, pokes his toes with it. He probably wasn't expecting that forward smash to hit him, but if you angle a smash attack up or down, it goes further.
It does?
Yes, the range will go further.
The more you know.
Tries to reflect the gyro.
This rock, man, he's playing.
Dashes out and runs.
Not letting them get any
Dashes out and Grandpa reads it and hits him with a side B. Grandpa is no slouch at all.
Yeah. Not letting
But neither is Luis.
Get any stage control. This time it looks like he's keeping him off stage.
If this game one doesn't go out, I can see a switch to Diddy.
Yeah.
But I am unsure if that'll happen. Back throw, what's the answer going to be?
The neutral B into the up B.
Catches him with the Wolf Blaster, going for some crazy stuff here.
Looks like he was just going for a bunch of damage there.
Back throw. Grandpa wants the gyro, whips the gyro, goes for up smash, whips that too. Goes for side B and somehow catches him.
Using the laser a lot more. Yeah.
Back throw.
Yep. There we go.
That was gross, but he died for it.
I don't know if that was worth it though.
If he went for that side B, he probably would have came back. Thought he wanted the gyro, doesn't have it. Misses the timing on the side B punish. Parries the big laser, gets grabbed by the up throw. Luis has to maximize on this advantage state. He has to take the stock. Grandpa comes back with the side B. I don't know what he's gonna do. Goes for the 2-frame, whiffs it. Staying way out of the side B this time.
Facing it out a lot.
I think this is the first time he missed the side B on him. Tries to throw it down, but
That's the main thing he's got to
throws it out instead. Back throw, it's not going to kill. Rob's a big Roy. He's made of metal, he's a robot. Going for all these back airs.
Yeah.
Overextends that. Grandpa sneaks under it. Gets center stage again.
Bob is staying extremely grounded while Luis is jumping about it.
Grandpa just realizes he doesn't have to really overexert and like push himself here.
Right.
It's just shield.
It's all Luis.
He's just shield grabbing and punishing him for it.
Right. He's waiting for,
Catches him with up smash. Yeah.
He's waiting for the shield, and once he gets the shield, okay. Luis, excuse me.
Luis is going to have to do something very different in this game too. I don't know what his answer is going to be though. Is he going to stay? Is he going to stay wolf? He's deciding to run it back with the wolf.
Wow. Okay.
Different stage too, right? Yeah, it's going to Pokemon Stadium too.
See if he can bring this back. It looked like he started to figure it out at the end of the last match.
Using a lot more lasers this time to approach.
Yeah, this is looking completely different from the last match.
Very different start.
Way safer. Way more patient. Staying away from the side B.
Picks up the gyro. Let's see what he does with it. Grandpa parries it. Luis going for a very greedy forward smash, I would say. Ambitious forward smash. Would be a better name for it. But now he's getting... He's changed up his entire way to get damage now.
He's extremely patient.
Gonna go off stage.
He's doing
Goes for the down smash again.
Luis was doing the last game. Or Grandpa was doing the last game. With just shielding, waiting for a triple attack.
He's really just using laser or just using laser and grabbing.
I see that Grandpa isn't using side Bs much.
So he might have lost confidence in the side B. Maybe he's using it a lot less because he knows that Luis is not looking for it. I just say that he used it, and Luis waiting for it.
Right off of it.
Finally catches him in one, but it's the very last hit of it. Luis just gonna block the gyro. No, he
Playing the neutral. Shielding the
knows the side B's coming.
Yeah.
Catches them. Luis is definitely adapted in this matchup.
Looking a lot better now. Yeah. Getting caught with side Bs again. With the up B.
Gets it with the up B.
If he gets two break, he does not.
He has not gotten that once since he's gone for it.
He goes for it every time.
It looks like it gets a lot.
Expect it.
Ooh, baits out the punish.
This is looking extremely different than that last match.
As we realize that he can just adapt to it. Wolf.
Yeah, he doesn't
Forget-
have to approach if he doesn't want to.
He forgot that Rob gyro. We just flipped that back. And he also has a reflector.
Yeah.
That was so smart. He threw it up, but he was gonna like jump, like he was gonna throw it, and he dropped it in there, so he would hit Rob with it. Trade it with the side B with the back air. Of course, we're gonna take that trade all day, and that is a 3-stop coming out on Luis.
So it's 1-1.
Night and day difference between game 1 and game 2.
Is my mouse. There we go.
See if they're doing any bans. Grandpa goes to Final Destination. I don't think we're going to see any character difference, any character changes. We might, though. And nope, Wolf and Rob. All right. Game 3. Now Grandpa's the one that has to make some changes.
Got
Luis doing the same thing he did last time, just kind of just baiting out moves. Not really approaching, you see him not really doing a lot of back airs again.
He's just nickel and dime, just getting any damage he can, anywhere he can, running away.
He's making Rob very uncomfortable with all the different moves he's doing, especially with the projectiles.
He has figured out where he is safe, where he isn't, where he can go in.
He has his Rob panicking now. He gets past it, but he's just rolling to the other side. He just wants to get safe.
Yeah.
And Luis hunts him down with the bear.
For the laggy option so he can do that kind of thing.
Luis keeping that gyro away from him, making him change exactly how he's going to approach this matchup.
But he can get off of this, he's going for that two-frame. He knows it's the best option. He's going off against Rob. Usually isn't the best option.
I would just go for the spike against Rob, honestly. If I was speaking of spike, if I was Wolf, I would just go for a dare because it's honestly pretty free. Grandpa hasn't changed the way Grandpa hasn't changed the recovery. He's gone straight up with up every time, so he can come down with a dare. But it's up to Luis. It's up to Luis to call him out on it. Going for the side beat. It's hit out of it, goes for it again, and actually connects. You see Luis kind of going back and just throwing out moves, and you see that that's not working. He's slowly getting caught up. Grandpa's slowly catching up. The more aggressive Luis is getting.
To what Luis adapted to.
Luis is changing the way he's played. He stopped throwing out. There he is. He's just throwing out blasters, but then he stopped, and now he's approaching again. But it works out this time. He catches the back air. Shoots back to gyro, but the gyro's not going to do anything now. Grandpa picks it up, gets punished, and just like that, it's even. Game 3, last stock.
What we can do. And he respects it. Gets combo.
It's a very storybook game, but
he's starting to respect his hitbox a lot more.
He went for it all. If he would have got that, he would have won.
Yeah, he almost went for a
back throw, laser.
Right, not gonna fall for it a third time. Yeah. He's just starting to bait it out.
It's looking like Grandpa realizes he has to get past him. Grandpa needs to assert himself at the center of the stage and not let go. If he didn't have the jump, forward smash. Grandpa has brought this all the way back.
And this could go either way.
And again, a very night and day game from game 2.
See what he can get off this.
Goes to the back throw, goes to the side B, gets punished.
Grab it, but he keeps hitting him. Back throw. Back throw.
Gives up on the gyro, gets back throw.
Does not kill.
Kill. Rob's a heavy robot boy.
Projectile.
Goes to the back throw again.
He read the roll. He was going to roll in.
If he did that just a little bit longer. That side B, he's going to have to.
This is really intense.
He just took his jump.
Is
he going to make it back? Oh, he makes it back.
All he needs is just one good hit, either of them.
That was the panic.
Yep.
The panic got hit by the hit before it's bad. A lot of counter adaptation coming out in that